Hello, welcome to Gangster New Orleans Part 4. If you haven't seen last video, you should go check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below your favorite song, favorite artist. So last video I said I'll be doing some off-screen grinding, which I did, and that I was able to get let's just say a submachine gun. Very good. Better than my revolver. Let's go. I don't know what this is. Oh wait, this cop. Alright. Yeah, you've seen this enough. A sniper that is very overpowered. And oh yeah, an LMG. Alright, we gotta escape from the cops. Alright, so while I escape from the cops, once I finish escaping from the cops, then we'll start this video off. Right. Hey, no. Pasta. Alright, so I escaped from the cops. It took me, like, let's just say 5 minutes. So, I was showing you guys all the new stuff I've got, so I'll go into my inventory and, show you more things. I've got thugs, so they can protect my base. So I've got all this stuff. They're pretty good things. Well, I should upgrade this, shouldn't I? $2,000, yeah. $2,000 is good for an upgrade. Yeah. Alright, keep moving. Move. Tool of Judgment. Yeah, so this is all my shit I used to use. Now this is all the shit I use now. The Nutcracker. I barely use that. Thugs, yeah, so these are the thugs I have now. I've got Karaoke Mikey, the Fiddler. Hold on. Tats Cortez and Fitz Delroy. That's supposed to be Fitzroy? I don't know. So let's go to my base. Okay, editor. So yeah, this is fucking hell. So this is where everyone lies. Not lies, but like stands. I should put those two up front. No, it's fine. So what I didn't cheat, but I did spend all my diamonds, as you can see. So I went here, and yeah, I bought the 9-star ones. So 3 to 4-star items. Let's see what I get. $490. Alright. Santa's little... Ooh, that looks nice. I don't need any more snipers. Y'all gotta stop giving me snipers. I don't need any more. Another thing I have is the vehicles. Let's go vehicles. Yeah, you know what's gonna go down. Alright, let's go. Let's go ride around in my plane. And then we'll start doing missions. But first, time to fuck around in my plane. First, just gotta find it. Alright, can this guy run faster? Yeah. Fucking nigger. And now, why are you running? Excuse me? Oh. I pushed it all the way over. Let's hop in the van. And... oh, it's all the way over here. Ah, so it's at the airport. Yeah. Wait. Let's just keep following it. And then we'll go grab it from the airport. Okay, so I may have performed a drive-by on somebody, and now the cops are after me. So we gotta... yeah. Wait. Yeah, we've got to move. We've got to move. Like, I'll show you where they all are. Yeah, they're all over there. Trying to. Oh shit. Wait, let me use my sniper. I told you it was overpowered. Oh, that's a pretty cool. Okay, let's see what's. So how am I supposed to go up? Oh! Alright. Okay. This is how we fly a plane in Gangster New Orleans. This is fun. Shit, I'm very bad at flying. Look at my city, bro. So beautiful lips. Let's go back to my part of the city. Let's go back to my ends. Oh, go up, go up, go up! Brother, we were about to crash. Oh, 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 oh! This is more fun than I thought it would be. Yo, where am I? Yo, look at the buildings, bro. Oh, oh, he's smoking. How am I not dead? How am I not dead? How is I not dead? We're not gonna die. Shit. So basically what I'm gonna do in this video is try to build up my rep. So here we have 71% rep. Wait, hold on. Alright, that math doesn't work out. So I need 100% rep. So I'll do this. Ooh, shotgun. I've got a shotgun. I'll do this, and then I'll do the racing, and then I'm pretty sure I'll be 100% the best person here. I also need diamond. Diamonds is what I need. I don't need $1. Fuck, my nose is runny as hell, bro. Oh, 55 seconds, bro. Oh. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Yo, wait, where is it? Hold on, I gotta abort mission. Yeah, cause I messed up. Cancelled, retry. That's 6. We want to make sure I don't waste all my, what's it called? My, energy. Alright, there we go. Where do I find him? Well, I know he's up there. How do I get up there? Oh, here. Okay. Oh my fucking lord, bro. No, I failed that one. I failed that one, definitely. What I dislike about this game, one simple miss up can fuck your whole, like, thing up. Hitting the roof. Alright, we gotta make sure we do this fast, but slow at the same time. So I know exactly where to go. Oh, no, kill him. Stop paying attention to Ted. Just pay attention. Alright, we run. Just run. Just don't look down, just run. That was harder than... That was easier / harder than I made it look. Like, I made it look so hard, but then again, I made it look so easy. And that's 81%. How does he still have 19% control? I don't understand. Oh, wait, that makes 100. Never mind. Alright, is there something going on with this game? They don't know how to count? I've already got the save. Is Santa's Little Helper better? So what's the specials? This is the best special I could have. Next is... This is the best primary weapon I can have. I already got... Oh, this is the weakest. 101 damage. Yeah, I'm definitely grabbing that. It's a sidearm. How is the weakest? Heavy. Ah, yeah, I saw that. We need 2 more diamonds. Then we've got another, what's it called? Thing we can, buy. We gotta make sure we do this perfectly. Amazingly. On point. Then we'll do an E-Man mission. Then I might do some offline grinding, as in, like, do the hard mode of these. So basically go faster and longer distance. Today's video is gonna be short because I want to get to live streaming, and I'm really busy. Let's go. Y'all gotta move out my way. I think there's another turn or another intersection that we're supposed to take, like, to get faster time. Or maybe we slow down at the end. I'm going so fast, they're not even, like, reacting. Shit, wait, hold on. Oh wait, that might have messed it up. That might have messed it up. No, it definitely messed it up. No, it fucked it up. Alright, let's restart that. That, I don't know what to do. Like, can I get a faster vehicle to do it? Let's go continue. My hair's a mess. Don't judge me. So let's go the racing thing. Street racing cars are so bad. They're too slow. Hurry up. Oh, yeah, I don't care. Hurry up. Oh, this feels much faster. I better win this. I better get faster than a minute. Oh, there's a little jump where I can go. Shit. There's a little jump I can go to, but I always keep forgetting it. Like, it's on the side. So if I take that, what's this car? I'll be able to make it. Okay. Let me put you up here. Stay hydrated, kids. If I hold the accelerator, will it go faster? Or will it just like stay the same speed? What was that, bro? That... I'm not redoing that mission. Come on. Alright. Shit, bro. What's another problem with this game is like, it doesn't have much to do for content. So I can't just be like posting something original. Like, the only original thing I do in this game is fly the airplane. I guess the last thing we can do an E-Man mission, and maybe check out the new area. Probably not, but it's a maybe. What does E-Man have to do? I mean, what does E-Man want us to do? Alright, let me... Wait, what? Buying what? Buying what? Fucking fiddlestick. Your voice is so annoying. I hate you so much. But then again, I love you so much, cause you're like my best friend. I wanna Alane, alien. Kill all the smugglers. Yeah, cause smuggling's bad, kids. Don't do drugs. Unless you're Rico the nigga, then do drugs. This game is getting so laggy. I don't know what to do about it. Oh, I remember playing this mission. Yeah, this is a mission that does lag a lot. Bro didn't even have a chance. Yay! Woohoo! The missions are so fun! Yay! So much fun! Can't believe my childhood sucks so much. Jesus Christ. I can't believe I used to love this game. Like, this game is so bad. But then again, it's nostalgic for me. Remember, like, the time when your parents wouldn't allow you to play Grand Theft Auto because of its content? What's up, my guy? Bro just got his hand blown off. That mission, too easy. Tops, too easy. Next is the reserve up north. Watch out, though they might be erratic. It's hard to snipe them from here. You just hear the like echo of bow. I know I'm here. Bro, these are my ends. I run these ends, bro. Let's use a different weapon. What weapon should I use? Let's use Santa's little... Oh, shit. Oh, I love the little snowflakes that come out of the gun. Grrrrah! Tell me after... Fucking redneck. Where is he? Oh. Here we are. God. The outro music. Cornering the market. Alright, so we are the biggest gang in the market, I think. So, what should I title this video? So our turf, I think, oh no, that's bigger. I'm gonna call this video, Planes and Gangsters. Yep, Planes and Gangsters. Let's write that down. Nah, I'm joking. Big book. Also, I'm gonna be live streaming later around 6, 5-ish. So go watch that. My Twitch will be linked in the server. The pinned comment. Let's do one more mission. 7. Alon. Alright, what are we doing? Help put the corrupt judge behind bars. Aren't we a corrupt gang? Like, I'm not even gonna ask. So. You'll see. Oh, the fucking Jamaican. Just say you're a Jamaican. Oh. We don't know who the witnesses are. She doesn't speak like that. She probably speaks like, "Your man, I don't know where their locations be at, but I'll ask my general man. Your man, blood clots. Big boy Jamaican. Voodoo man. Here's the location of the law witness. Check your map." Oh. Alright. So we're gonna be calling, so the videos, hold on, let me pause the game. Okay. Big boy. Let me. Both planes and gangsters. Reach the marina. Oh. Alright, come on, Rico. We got this. I love how Rico just like a gangster that wears no shirt and takes 0 damage. Like, oh, the boat just crashed. I'm Jesus. I'm walking in on what? What the fuck? When did I become Jesus? Wait, can I walk through walls? Oh, about to say. What? Why can I walk in water? Yeah, what you gonna do? Who's trying to pull up? Why are you pulling up? Nah, I don't like your attitude, bro. Why are you pulling up? Pull up, cuz. That's right. No one touches my witnesses. We got you, baby. Bro. Bro, go to the hospital yourself, you lazy ass. Bro, she better not be my love interest, bro. Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. Hey, whoa, whoa. Wait, what are they doing? Oh shit, they're waiting for me. I wish I had like, what's it called? Like a horn. Shut up, bro. I know what I'm doing. What are you doing, bro? You got me to drive you. Shut up. Fucking hoe. Bro, you better not be my love interest. I want a woman that's strong and independent. Not your ass. Got me driving your ass to the hospital. You're welcome. Bro, you lazy ass motherfucker. Wait, yep. Let's buy some new I got the quiz from the Jeremy gun. Hope she don't ask for too much from your boy. Wagwan. It's all jokes. It's all jokes. I've actually got some Jamaican friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'll let it go again. Ooh. That's what Hey! That's Tottenham's last name. That's Tottenham's last name. The fuck? I've got this friend named Tondon, and I had the same last name. Shakes Niggy on. Oh, I don't have that. Let's go inventory. Let's go to Tondon. Your name is Shakes Niggy on. Upgrade. No, I don't want to upgrade. Let's go turf. Edit turf. So what is Shakes? Is Shakes like... Shakes is like big man. Yeah, then we need 2 guys over here and 1 guy here. So put a sniper here, and then 2 normal guys. I think that's how I want to end this video. But there's one more thing before I end this video I need to do. And it involves, I think this is what it involves. Hold on. If I'm right. Where's the airport? Wait, no. It involves this area right here. Let's hop in this. I wanna crash a plane into the water. Can I do that? Will it let me crash a plane into the water? I don't know. Am I hoping it would? It's on the other side of the fence. It's right there, I can see it. It's in my grasp. All I gotta do is run around this very, very, very long fence. The BBG, the big black green gate. The B double B, the double B, the double B double G. The big, I don't even know. Big black gate. Oh, hold on. Big green gate. I wanna go up. Me and my Nazi war machine. Woo! Let's crash like right in the middle of the city. I think the middle of the city is right here. Let's crash right here. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below your favorite artist, and peace. Am I ever gonna crash? I didn't die. Oh, I'm alive. I survived the plane crash. Alright. Yeah.